Hello, everybody. In this video, I will tell about the Amazon Basics Laptop Cooling Pad. This is an Amazon Basics Laptop Cooling Pad, and it has 10 to 17-inch laptop only. So, let's open it. If I can find my knife, found it, okay? So right now, it's in the box, still in there, haven't opened it yet. I was waiting for, this moment here to do it. So let's do this. And we will see just what's in here, how they ship it. You know, all that stuff, here. So, me get these, little things there, all right? So, all right, we got some good packaging. In here, it looks whole bunch of bubble wrap. Let's take that out. Okay, now we can set this box to the side. And it looks like it has some paper in it. That's actually decent sized. Wow. Okay, so just for the record, this is what looked like. I guess these stick up to keep your laptop from sliding down. If you're, trying to make sure you got the same one, here's where this is USB cable, and we got two buttons. There are 6 fans down. It's got the stands in the back. Right here, I think they're adjustable. That's basically it. Gaming laptop cooling pad. Okay, so we are going to test this. So I'm connecting the cable here. The next step is turn it on and make sure it works. Okay, the computer is turning on. The laptop is Now I can see that is work properly. I am hear the sound of the fan. How do we find out? Oh wow, look in there, all right. Well, this laptop cooling pad is good for gaming, live stream, and long use. I did a little digging around just to see if cooling pads actually work, and while they do, it says most laptop coolers won't show significant change. The higher quality ones will, so this thing may not really show much of a difference. Honestly, I can't tell if this is worse than just having your laptop propped up high on, like, a little tiny cardboard box or something, because since it's sitting on this, so if you watch this video, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. It means a lot to me.